Hello everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. Our first post starts with this: enhanced circulation. Performing facial exercise like this increase blood flow to the face, which can help nourish skin cells and keep them vital. Improved circulation can also contribute to a healthy skin. And the second post starts with this: and it helps to reduce appearance of wrinkles by working out the muscles beneath the skin. Facial exercise can help to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. This third pose is just to make you relaxed, and I'm doing these exercises since I was 19, and these are really helpful. I look younger than my age, and you can also look like that. And our main pose starts with this. This helps lifting and defining features. Consistent facial workout can lift and define facial features, helping to achieve more contoured look. Study tells that by doing this for 10 seconds, this can help to reduce your necklines, and it's really helpful. If I talk about this particular exercise, I must say this is stress reliever, and it will help to relax the muscles and reduce tension in the face. This can be particularly helpful in alleviating symptoms of stress such as jaw clenching and teeth grinding. Its major benefit is to reduce back hump that many people have when they gain weight. Perform this for 30 seconds. Now this pose is also recommended for 30 seconds. Here are some pressure points. This is really good for anti-aging. It's also good for under eye wrinkles and for forehead lines. After giving pressure to temples, we come down near ears, and it is perfect to relieve your stress. Now this pose gonna make your face symmetrical, and it will really help to make your face good with good jaws and good bones. Like, it will also reduce your face fat, and I must say you should do this 10 times on each side. I know everybody has done this pose, but not consistently. You will have to adhere to this pose and just do it for 20 seconds, because this is very helpful to reduce your chin fat and make your bones defined and make your features very well sharpened. This pose is literally funny, but let me tell you, it's very helpful. It is called twisting your face in all directions. Regularly doing this, it can help facial muscles to enhance the skin's elasticity, making it more resilient to the effects of aging and environment changes. This is again relaxing, and we somehow don't prefer to massage our head, and it's really good. The people who are busy, they do not do their head massage on daily basis, oil massage, so you can just press your head like this. That's all. Meet you in next video. Hope this gonna work for you as well.